In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com, providing you with a comprehensive 2025 update. Let's dive right into setting up your data board. Start by creating a board dedicated to storing your raw data. This could encompass areas such as sales, projects, marketing, or team performance. Essentially, wherever you need to track your KPIs. Each item on your board should represent a distinct KPI record, such as a specific project, sale, or marketing campaign. Make sure to craft columns for the metrics you aim to track. For numerical data like revenue, tasks completed, or leads generated, use a numbers column. A date column is indispensable for recording relevant periods or reporting dates. Don't forget a status column to keep tabs on progress, whether it's on track, behind schedule, or completed. Additionally, drop-down or text columns are useful for sorting categories such as the department or region. Once your board captures the necessary data, it's crucial to ensure consistency. This involves sifting through your data to avoid any missing or mismatched entries. Consider employing groups to segment your data into relevant categories like quarters or team-based divisions. To keep your board up to date, either make regular manual updates or automate the process using integrations. With your data board in order, you're ready to create a dynamic dashboard. Begin by selecting the plus, add, new dashboard button from your workspace sidebar. Give your new creation a fitting name, such as KPI Dashboard 2025. At this stage, you'll want to connect the relevant boards containing your KPI data. If necessary, you can link multiple boards across various departments like sales, marketing, and operations. Next, it's time to bring your KPIs to life using a variety of widgets. Start with the numbers widget, which excels at displaying total sums or averages. Select your metric column and choose the appropriate calculation type, whether it's a sum, average, or another relevant measure. For visualizing trends, the chart widget is your best friend. Choose your data board and select your desired chart type, be it bar, line, pie, or area. Define your x-axis based on a time period or category, while your y-axis should capture the pertinent KPI metrics such as revenue or tasks completed. If tracking progress towards a target goal is your aim, the battery widget is ideal. Simply set your goal value and link it to a numbers column. To maintain transparency, employ the table widget to filter and display raw data specific to your needs. You may also consider the timeline widget, an optional tool that's excellent for showcasing time-based KPIs like campaign durations or important milestones. As you progress, you'll want to customize your dashboard views. You can filter to display only relevant KPIs grouped by categories like team or department, and apply color coding for rapid visual recognition. Adding goals and benchmarks is another powerful way to compare actual performance against targets. Utilize the goals widget or battery widget for this purpose. Once configured, it's important to share and collaborate with your team and stakeholders. Use the Share Dashboard feature to adjust visibility and invite comments or manage permissions as needed. Finally, consider scheduling dashboard reports via the dashboard email summary to keep everyone informed on a regular basis, whether weekly or monthly. This is an excellent way to ensure transparency and collaboration within your team and with clients. Periodic reviews are essential to ensure your metrics stay aligned with your goals. As your KPIs evolve, feel free to add or remove widgets and explore integrations like Google Analytics, HubSpot, or Excel to feed real-time data into your dashboard.